What's up guys, and welcome to the 26th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about the register storage class. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before we do that, let's just talk about what register means. So a variable declared with the register storage class is the same as an auto variable, except the compiler may decide to place the variable in a hardware register. The register storage class enables you to specify a local automatic variable that could be maintained in one of the computer's hardware registers. The register storage class is only a suggestion to the compiler that the variable occupy a register. The compiler can ignore the suggestion. You should not take the address of register variables because hardware registers do not have a memory address on most computers. Okay, so now if I say int main register unsigned int ctr, close that off, have a for statement, initialization ctr equals 100, condition can be ctr less than 500, and increment this to about, just say plus 50, eliminate this and eliminate one of those, and the statement should be stdcout ctr, close that off. This should compile, but the register is giving us an error. It's saying something as register storage class specifier is deprecated. It should run, however, because a register variable is declared where it says register unsigned int ctr. So if I execute it, see what we get. Build succeeded, so 100 all the way up to 450. By the time it gets to 500, it doesn't even print it out, it just stops it. If I say less than or equal to 500, then it should print out 500. Okay. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.